EDAD 616 Journal 3. According to the New Teachers Institute, first-year teachers go through 5 phases. I didn't know that. I enjoyed the article. I learned a lot. I remember being in survival mode and then kind of disillusionment, like, man, this is a crazy amount of work for a little pay, but you love the kids, so you try your best. It was a good article, and I really enjoyed reading it. The realities of teaching is tireless. It's intense. There's always a phone call. There's always an angry parent. There's always a kid misbehaving. There's always something. But if you really love helping kids, then it's so worth it. It's such a cool occupation. Plus, if you think you can just go on and teach, that's not the case. So I give seminars on idea law and how to help students with IEPs for differentiation of instruction, modifying homework with alternative placement for testing, and for sure posting guiding notes on Google Classroom so the parents know what's going on. No new teacher wants a lawsuit for the IEP was not met. Also, I give seminars on changing one's thought on zero tolerance, so ending the school-to-prison pipeline, on little things, things that we can fix or work on. Instead, let's think about restorative justice. I spend more time teaching restorative justice and rules than standards the first month of the class, but then my class runs so smoothly. Teachers also have to adjust to the reality of phone rings, alarms going off, kids acting out, even though one spent all night making a perfect lesson, so always have a backup, and how to handle those really intense parents. All these things take time to survive and be ready for new teachers. For disillusionment, at this point, the accumulated stress of the first-year teachers, coupled with the months of excess time allowed to teaching, often get complaints from family and friends. I've heard many new teachers during this point. I say take the day off or two and come back ready. It can be overwhelming. I'd rather than take a day off than quit. I also had a biblical provider tell me, it just made me realize it's not easy. It often seems ridiculous the amount of hours and interruptions. But stick to the lesson plan the best you can and be there for the kids, and then you'll see the progress in the kids. Not just perfection in your kid because they do silly things, but progress, and keep going till skills are met for proficiency. Plus, remember, stress can cause serious health problems, so if someone's sick, I send them home till they're better. I'd rather have someone heal than have to call the ambulance. And I always send evaluation in advance so we can have many conversations about it before it's finalized. New teachers need time and guidance to get the hang of things. It's vital to support our new teachers. Specific strategies? I've given many seminars on project-based learning as I did specific training for the Monterey Bay Aquarium. So often new teachers think about the standards, and it's so text-heavy. That's hard for EL and special kids. It's better to use the 5 E's of engagement of science from NGSS and have an engaging topic with hands-on examples. And always start with hook and relevance, then go over the terms, and then get into the text-heavy ready. You have to scaffold. We really expect so much from kids nowadays. We need to scaffold it. We need to bring in background knowledge into the picture. Give the kids a base to stand on, and then they'll go above and beyond one's expectations. I also have given seminars in growth mindset versus fixed. So often new teachers are frustrated that students shut down and don't know what to do next. I remind them to teach the growth mind student. A student might not know how to do it yet, but keep teaching them patiently and use hands-on items for ideas until they learn it. Allow the student the chance to fail, because that's part of life, that's real. Discuss ways to make it better, and really guide them to the process of learning versus just perfecting the standard. Build a student's skill set to do great things for the future. How can one go beyond BITSA to support individuals? I'm sure it isn't unique, but I tell new teachers it's better to take a day off or two and finish BITSA, because it's a lot of paperwork, than to stay up all night and be ragged and not ready to teach. We're only human. We've got to have a break. Find your priorities, and with time comes good teaching. I'm super honest with new teachers. I tell them teaching is hard, and I didn't really get good at it about year 10. And then I could do it smoothly without a detailed lesson plan on the subject. But until then, write a lesson plan. Be prepared. Give yourself time. We'll help you. I also tell them they're no longer teachers. We're also counselors, CPS mandatory reporters, man our enforcers because kids say silly things, and help them figure out college and career. That's a big step. A lot of stuff to ask our staff. So remember, if it wasn't a perfect day, there is tomorrow, next semester, next year. Kids go through puberty, they need time, and we're here to help the teacher and the staff. I have had so many teachers come crying to me or anxious for evaluations, and then I realize I'm there to help them as admin can only get better. I never judge. I also pick up the phone 24/7, including once at 5 a.m. on Sunday. But they just needed that reassurance on a lesson plan for the semester and then can move forward. I also tell them I will listen and not judge. It's very difficult to do teaching and home life and be a good family man partner. So if there's an emergency, take care of that. Call in with a sub, have your sub plan, come back ready. We all need a bit of a break. I'd rather give a day off than find a new teacher, especially in this teacher shortage. I also know new teachers, you get sick a lot in the first 5 years and don't end up in the ER. If you're sick, go home. Go to the doctor. Once better, you can come back. Don't spread the plague. They laugh, but they get it. Immunity takes time to build. Lastly, I have an open spreadsheet where I can walk in at any time and fill it out and send it to them, including my comments and their comments with open ideas. This continuous thread really helps for a two-way conversation versus just twice a year you step in with an eval. You need more feedback than that. And sure, if there's someone really kids, I really stop everything and go sit with that kid and make the teacher's life better. I explain to our new teachers in front of the class that they deserve the utmost respect and I won't tolerate bad behavior. I do make phone calls home to naughty students, and I tell them I walked into a teacher to help them and they were misbehaving. They can do better, please. New teachers need guidance and reassurance for theirs. Heart is often in the right place. It just takes time to build a mindset and skills. And new teachers come with such great joy. They should be helped.